highly requested tutorial. So using a soft wrap like this Solly Baby, you're going to look for the tag. There's usually a tag or a marker that lets you know that's the center. Wrap around your belly. Pull tightly. This is a common mistake that people make. Excuse the baby noises in the background. He's enjoying his milk. Pull tightly. See, I'm pulling tightly again, having a nice strong hold. You're going to crisscross them behind your back and pull them over your shoulders. Now you're going to stuff the excess fabric into what I'm going to call the kangaroo pouch. Just let that fall down. And again, another tight, snug pull. You're going to crisscross again. So now we got a cross in the back and a cross in the front. Our kangaroo pouch is a little small, but don't worry. And I'm just taking a break to talk to my toddler here. Baby's still calm in the background, but this is something you want to practice just in case your baby's not calm, because this does calm baby. So wrap it across your back. Take both sides around the hips and bring it back to the front. This is optional. I like to tie in the front. You could tie in the back, you could tie on the side. There's usually a lot of excess fabric, so you might want to tie twice or tuck. I'm going to go for my baby. And supporting his head and his hips, I'm picking him up. And he always takes that opportunity to stretch. I'm going to place him over one shoulder. So I'm going to take a look at which one is in the inside. The one over my right shoulder is in the inside. So I'm going to drape him over my left shoulder. And here's my toddler. And I'm going to just gently pull his leg through until the knee point. And I'm going to drape him over my opposite shoulder. And do the same thing on the other side. So now I've got that crisscross on under both knees. I'm going to start to expand the fabric and pull across baby's bottom. And I'm doing a little bounce just to make sure he's all the way down as far as I want him. I keep my baby nice and high. You should be able to kiss your baby's head. Oh, excuse me. It's not you. It's me. I'm just a tired mom. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, making sure to spread it across. I'm pulling baby's arms in now. My baby's a little crooked, but you know, that's just his thing. So you want to look for the M from the heels, from heel to heel. So heel up to the knee, down to the booty, up to the other knee, down to the other foot. Okay. And now I'm going to use my kangaroo pouch, and he is looking for milk. So that's why he's bobbing his head. And I'm going to pull it up over. And this is why we want the wrap to be nice and snug. It is possible for your wrap to be too snug. So you're just going to have to play around and get a feel for how tight you need your wrap to be based on your baby's size. But you want it to be snug because you don't want baby falling or slipping through the bottom. Here I'm trying to get my baby's head and show you into the wrap and show you guys how you can wrap his head. But instead of laying his head to the side, he's still looking for milk. But I think you get the idea. So there's that first cross in the back that we made. We made that second cross, and toddler makes an appearance again. Dad to the rescue. And again, you want to be able to kiss your baby. Finally, my baby agreed to put his head to the side so I can show you how you can secure his head. Optional. And that's it.